Are all pastels made the same? I found out that no, after buying probably maybe a dozen different types of pastels. Well, I'm going to do a demo as an abstract artist view of soft pastels and a few of my favorite. Now, actually, 3 of these are soft pastels, and then there's a pan pastel I'm going to show you, and one is it's like a firm pastel, but it's one of my favorites. So there's the Faber Castell, and they're absolutely beautiful, and that's a soft pastel. Now, how you can tell is you can look at the box that you're getting or the description, and there it will tell you hard or soft pastel. I like the soft pastels in my abstract art because they just meld, and you'll see when I do the demonstration. Here's the Faber Castell. There's the Prisma color. I love them. There's the Diane Townsend. Now that has on there that it has a chemical or something in it that causes cancer in California, so be careful of that one. But you know, it's beautiful. You can use gloves. And then there's the Jack Richeson, which is, they're hand rolled and they're absolutely beautiful pastels. So these are ones that I enjoy using. I like them all. I'm an artist. I like just about everything, but these are some of the ones that in my art, in my practice, I use, and you'll see why when I start the demonstration. And I'm going to do them in water, and you'll see I add a one that I just got that I just started using later on. So I'm going to do them all the same, use the same type of demonstration, and use the blue except for the Diane because I don't have the blue. But when you write them, they're just like writing with a piece of chalk, and some of them you have to be careful because they are more fragile when they're a little bit thinner. That one is the Prisma color, and it doesn't come out as dark when you first write down on it, but it's one of my favorites. That's the Diane Townsend, and I did not have the blue. I just got the lighter colors. That's expensive. And there's the Jack Richeson, I think it's called, and it's an expensive one too, but it's a beautiful color. And for how I use them, I mean, any of them that you get will come out about the same, I feel, in an outcome of these that I'm showing you. So I'm adding water on the top, which I would in my abstract art, and you see how it does bleed and just blend. That's the Prisma color, which I absolutely love. You'll see when I do the demonstration where I add it to wet water. That's the Diane. Now, any of these, you're going to have to spray a fixative on top to keep it because it's going to disappear and dull down. So I use it sparingly in my art, but enough to enjoy using it. And then I'll spray the fixative, and then I'll just go on with the art, and then I do my coating on the top when I go to finish my art. And that'll be enough to secure the chalk into the art. So there it is, and then you can actually rub on those. So here's a demonstration how I do use, because I use a lot of water in my abstracts, and how it just melds in the water when you have water on your canvas or your paper, and then you add the pastel on the top. That was the Faber Castell. Here's my favorite again, the Prisma color. And the color just is very, very vibrant, and just has a quality that to me is just gorgeous. It's you know, if you're looking for something like this, these are perfect. And then there's the Diane Townsend. Again, it's a beautiful one. The color is very vibrant. It you know, they just spread out in the water and stay. And then this is the Jack Richeson, Richeson. I'm probably saying it wrong. And it was the least of the blending of all of them. So that one it could be more of one that you put the line unless you go in and smear it. But you see how vibrant they are, and just how beautiful, and the how you use them can be endless. So I hope you'll try these in your art and see what you think, and see what kind of concepts you can get when you do your abstracts. So just wanted to do this quick demonstration for you to show you how adding something like this into your abstracts would be fun. I'm just adding a graphite over the top just to kind of see what would happen, because that's what I would do in my art. So hope you enjoyed this, and I'd love to see your results and how you would use them. And then I wanted to bring in another product that was new to me, and I haven't really used them in my art, and that's the pan pastel. They're very soft and really luxurious, and they come in, looks like a little makeup container. Of course, I'm grabbing a blue that I think would look beautiful, but all the colors, I think I got 12 colors in this, and they're just they're very, very soft and luxurious. So you can use your finger, or you can paint like I'm going to show you. I didn't get as much as a result when I painted it in, but when I took my finger and rubbed it in to the wet, the vibrancy of the color was just incredible. So I hope you give this one a try too. I'll put all the links down below in the description box for these ones that are my favorite. And these I think are made in the USA. So enjoy them. And again, I'd love to see your results. Tell me what you think of them, because pastels is just one additional thing that you can do in your art that would be fun.